Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey, we've got a little holiday treat for you today. Don't know what you're getting someone for Christmas? How about a his and hers 1970 Plymouth Cudas? Both purple shaker hood cars. We got a genuine Hemi, and we've got a numbers match 383 with factory air conditioning right here. So I'll give you a quick tour of both of them. They won't be fully processed and on our website until after the holidays, but I just couldn't wait. I'll put a couple pictures and a little information, so if you're interested, go to volocars.com, check them out and talk to the salesman. They can help you out. But what we've got here is a rotisserie restored. The whole bottom of the car is plum crazy purple. It's a shaker car. It's a factory air car. Numbers match 383. And it's decked out with the goodies, rear spoiler, hockey stick stripe, the road wheels, new white convertible top, beautiful white interior with the rally gauges, dash pads mint, chrome sport mirrors. That big air cleaner hides a lot, but there's the numbers match 383 under there, power steering, power brakes, rebuilt air conditioning system, and you can see it's all detailed like new. Underneath the car it looks the same way. Down below it has the road lamps and the chin spoilers, so it's a loaded up car. They didn't make many 70 Cuda convertibles, period, in any combination. This one's loaded up with some good stuff. Now, here's the beast. This is a 1970 Cuda, fully documented. This is the real deal. Galen Govier has personally inspected the car. We've got his report. It's a genuine shaker hood car, factory plum crazy purple. It's a genuine 410 Dana rear end car, and it's also a genuine hockey stick stripe on the quarter. A lot of people add those. This one came with all those options. The numbers match Hemi engine. It has a correct transmission that was changed at one time. Believe it or not, this car has just over 2,000 actual miles. It was my guess, probably a quarter mile at a time back in the day, but since then it's been rotisserie restored. This was in Reggie Jackson's collection at one time. This is the real deal, not a question in my mind. It's been certified by a few Mopar experts. Big 426, 425 horsepower dual quad Hemi, the original to the car. It's been verified. Factory shaker car. Power brakes. Also rotisserie restored. The bottom of the car is done up just like what you see here in the engine compartment. It's a factory rally dash gauge car. Interior's all redone. Console, steering wheel, everything looks mint. So now, if you're buying them as a his and hers, you just get to decide which one's his and which one's hers. Unless you wanted to keep them both for yourself, that'll be up to you. But here's a pretty rare opportunity. They can be bought separately, of course, as well. But two incredible cars. I just couldn't wait till after the holidays to show them to you. So you got a little sneak peek here. Go to volocars.com if you're interested in either of them before they're gone.